List of the most popular mobile games of 2021. PUBG Mobile. PUBG, or PlayerUnknown Battleground, has made its debut in March 2017 on a PC and has become quickly popular with gamers worldwide with its realistic feel of battle royale on which players fight their way on top of who will be the last man standing in a fight. PUBG at first is just a PC game and not available on a mobile device, and when the mobile version arrives many players get hypes. Before it was officially released it was said that a huge amount of players are waiting on it, that causes about 75 million pre-registered on the game. Now more and more players are playing this game that made its popularity reach its download at 100 MB and on Google Play Store, and most will agree that PUBG is one of the most popular mobile games in the market. Mobile Legend. Are you hear about the game Mobile Legend? If you don't know about it, well, Mobile Legend is a kind of game called MOBA, or Multiplayer Online Battle Arena, which player can fight on 5 vs 5 and choose a hero that they want to use. There is a 3-lane which has tower or turret to defend. The first team that destroys the last tower or the main tower is the winner. Mobile Legends was one of the most popular mobile games, especially in the Philippines and the rest of Asia. It was so popular that it reaches 100 MB and downloads in Google Play Store alone, and I can conclude that Mobile Legends is one of the most popular mobile games in 2021. 8-Ball Pool. If you love the billiard sport, you will surely love this game. Putting billiard on mobile is marvelous, and by the way, this game is not even new. 8-Ball Pool is around since 2013. But many are still love this game since it mimics the experience in real billiard sport, but yeah, you need to be more skilled in playing real billiard than this, since this game is easier to play than the real thing. 8-Ball Pool is one of the most popular mobile games that hits a 500 MB and download on the Google Play Store alone. If you are looking for the best billiard game that you can play anywhere, this game is your best option. Asphalt 9. From the original Asphalt to the latest one, the Asphalt 9 are one of the most popular mobile games that you can still play in 2021. Asphalt 9 has an enhanced and stunning graphics that make every scene looks cool and real. From the first Asphalt to Asphalt 9, the adrenaline from playing this game never fades. The gameplay was just the same from other Asphalt series, they only improve some effect, graphics, and the cars. In Asphalt 9 they are able to add some hypercars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, and more. Asphalt 9 is so popular among gamers that it hits. Call of Duty Mobile. Just like PUBG, Call of Duty are the first to introduce on PC in 2003. I just remember playing this game when I was in early college. I also remember that I having motion sickness when I first tried to play this game. When I play this game for the first time I already appreciate how good the graphics and gameplay, but I don't have an idea that they will create a mobile version of Call of Duty. Now that they did, it quickly captures the attention of the gaming fanatic. Yeah, sure, the aiming is easier on PC, but the game itself was still additive. Call of Duty Mobile was first released in 2019 and now it is able to hit 10 MB and downloads on the Google Play Store and still counting.